Hey everyone! If you're looking to spruce up your kitchen on a budget, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you what I did to my small kitchen in a 440 square foot studio under $100. Okay, before I start, let me just show you what it looked like before. The cabinets were all brown, top and bottom, with uneven colored trim, and the granite countertop was also a brown speckled color. Time to clean and brighten up this room. So, first things first, pick your color palette. If you're like me, I wanted a minimal, classy, and mature theme. Let's call it modern vintage. White with black, silver, and bronze gold accents. Before I started my project, I made sure to take off the knobs and wash them to disinfect and also make them shiny again. Then I put those to the side. Now, I decided to make my cabinets all white. You can find the paint at Home Depot, and I will share the link in the description box below for you. I got one small can, a roller, and a roller extension, and make sure the quality of the roller is super smooth so it doesn't leave marks or lint during your painting session. It took me 4 layers to cover it before the cabinets were a beautiful solid white. It dries pretty fast. I'd wait for 1 hour to dry just to be safe, then do another layer. Make sure your windows are open or you have good airflow. You are welcome to use tape around borders to prevent painting on other surfaces, but I just made sure to cover the areas where paint may drip. If you have crevices in between where the cabinets are, you can use a paintbrush and fill it in, 4 layers as well. Now, some of you are wondering, was it hard painting inside the cabinets and did you have to sand it down or take it apart? Nope, not at all. I kind of liked the interior as it is, and it adds more of a dimensional look, and guests usually see the exterior. So now to update the countertops. If you've always wanted black countertop but don't want to shell out a buttload of money, contact paper is your friend, my friend. Get it? See what I did there? Anyway, again, I got this at Home Depot for $8 per roll. I bought 2 and had extra that I used on other random projects. Not all contact paper is the same. This thick black faux leather contact paper is the best I've used, so I highly recommend it. If you haven't used contact paper before, all you need to do is use a gift card or credit card and scrape down while you are peeling and pasting the contact paper to the clean surface. I start from the edge and work my way down. Look at the surface at an angle, and if you ever come in contact with a bubble, gently lift that area and start re-scraping again. It took me about an hour and a half, and you'll get the hang of it. I also added a layer to the top of the stove fan to balance out the white. For the sink area, and this is optional, but when I got this place, my old faucet was leaking. It was time to change it out. I got this faucet on Amazon, and you can find pretty affordable ones. I was lucky to snag this one for $40 at the time of making this video. If you're not sure how to change out a faucet, trust me, I didn't know at first either, but I was up for the challenge, and instead of paying someone else to do it, I was able to do it on my own, and so can you. Make sure you wipe down all the surfaces you may be touching beforehand. You'll need a wrench, rubber gloves, a flashlight, and a small Tupperware to capture leaking water. All you need to do is find your hot and cold water valve and shut it off. Remember, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. If nothing comes out, then unscrew with a wrench to loosen the 2 pipes on the bottom of the sink as well as the rings attached to the faucet and the countertop. It gets a little squishy down there, not gonna lie, so make sure you lay on your back when you do it. Scrub all the grime off before installing the new faucet. And lastly, I realized something was missing, and it was backsplash texture. If you like a classic modern look, go for dark grout. To be exact, I got dark gray/black grout and white tile. Again, I found this on Amazon and the link is below for you. It was really easy to install because it was peel and stick. Just make sure you are very careful when cutting it, especially when you are cutting along the grout part, as it may come off if sliced incorrectly. The best way to cut it is with an X-Acto knife. I've used both scissors and an X-Acto knife, and from experience, I want to save you the hassle. Use an X-Acto knife. So I bought one pack, which was enough for the size of my kitchen, and it came out to $40 at the time of making this video. I got free bar stools for my friend. They were old and had speckles of rust on the legs, so what I did was I used the Rust-Oleum paint, the extra white paint that I had, and painted over the legs. If you want to find these chairs, you can find them on Amazon or you can find them used on OfferUp. And voila! I hope you enjoyed watching my DIY kitchen studio makeover. Make sure to subscribe to watch my upcoming vids of how I set up my other rooms. Stay safe, stay warm, stay home. See ya!